You searched for how to buy shares of Nexans SA. Nexans is a global cable and connectivity company listed on Euronext under the ticker NEX.PA, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker NEX.PA to find the stock. Select the listing that shows Nexans on Euronext to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure this is the Nexans share you want to buy. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market order. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A soft reminder: the link to the eToro example is in the description for demonstration purposes only.